So first of all, we have to create a folder with the name. We will write the name as Python scrap scr. Then we will open this folder with VS Code. It will take some time to ready, and when it will be ready, we will open the command prompt. Here we have to write some commands to install two libraries. It will take some time. Open. Okay, once it's ready, we will write the command. The first command will be pip install request, and the second command is pip install BeautifulSoup for you. BeautifulSoup for. It will take some time, and then it will be download that library. Once it's done, we will create a file. The file name will be pythonscrap.py or anything you want. Okay, for now we are going to write the codes. First of all, we have to import the library. So we will import the first library here. Our first library will be import request, and the second library, which is BeautifulSoup, which we will import from VS4. Okay, we will write BeautifulSoup first. Then we will start writing the codes. First of all, we create a variable name URL. In which way, in this we write that URL, which website we want information. So for an example, I have my own website, Tech by Sambhav, and I will go there, and I'll copy the URL of my own website. My website has ads. Okay, then I copy my own website code and I just paste here with Ctrl V. Then we have to create another variable named response. By this code, by this line, we will request that whatever URL we have write, we will send the request to that URL. Okay, now then we have to create another variable named soap. In this variable, we will import the BeautifulSoup, which we had import from VS Code. We will write the response.text. It means whatever the response will come in the HTML in the text format, and the HTML parser, which is used to parse the information. Another variable we have to use, which is headings. That it will use for that what thing we want from that URL on the page. So right now I have right here H2. So whatever H2 tags are used in that web page, that will come here. Okay, in the last we have to create a loop here. The code will be for H in headings. Whatever the variable you have write in the above, and you will create a loop which will print whatever the H2 tags are in that URL web page. Okay, once you write the all codes, you have to come in the CMD and you have to write the command Python, and whatever your file name you have to write here. Okay, I get an error which is can't open file. So what's the error? Okay, write again Python scrap.py. Okay, and I get the information. our comprehensive services, future projects, need some more tech partner. Okay, now get to my website. Here you can see whatever our comprehensive services which we get in H2, feature projects, and need some more to tech partner. So whatever the H2 tags are used in that web page, you get here. You can come to my website. There are very much projects that will help you. So this is called the web scratch using Python. Okay, if I write h1 here, if I write h1 and run the code again, so whatever the h1 tags are used in that web page, you can get that things. Okay, write again. Write the command python scrap.py. Yeah, we get Tech by Sambhav. Welcome to Tech by Sambhav partner. Our first thing is Tech by Sambhav, which is heading, and another is Welcome to Tech by Sambhav. You can visit my website, which is Tech by Sambhav. Here you can web development courses, app development, coding education. Okay, come back to the coding part. Okay, let's create a real world project type. You can get maybe you can get in your college. So create for an news app, news websites or whatever. Like there are several news websites. Okay, we are going to create for Times of India, TIE was here. Same, we have to import the request, and then we will go from BS4 to BeautifulSoup. All the codes will be same. Okay, write the code from BS4 to import BeautifulSoup. It may be. Then you have to create the same thing, create a URL, a variable in which we write the URL on which website we want the information. Create the same thing, create a response variable, request.get, url.txt, and HTML file. From this, we get the whatever the URL is coming, we get the response. Create a SOAP variable in which we have used the BeautifulSoup library, which convert the whatever response we get in text format by using HTML parser. Okay, in the next line, in the previous code what we have had, we have to do the same thing here. We have to create a heading variable. Whatever you can create your own variable. We have to just write so the select. Okay, in this real world project, we have to create whatever we want. Like we are creating for Times of India. So which information we want from Times of India? So I have right here H2 and whatever H2 tag. It may be that there are several H2, so H1 is good for us now. So we have to create another variable print. Here we write like latest news. What in our console you can see in the previous project we have just get that Tech by Sambhav. We have written whatever the latest news we are doing. So we have right here latest news from Times of India, and we use a /n which creates a new line for every whatever we create in a new line, not in the latest news from Times of India. Same thing, we create a loop for this. Whatever the format is coming to text format, h.get underscore text, and in which we have to write the strip. Strip we use here for important term. Strip we have to set the true, don't set it on false. Then we have to create a conditional statement. If it is text, it will write here. Okay, now go on the Chrome and we will search for Times of India, Indian Express or Times of India, whatever website you want. Then we will go and copy the URL of that web page. We will copy the URL from the latest news from Times of India or the Indian Express. I am using here the Indian Express. then we will paste in the URL section. Okay, once we paste it, we complete the code, and then we will run the command. Before running the command, you will have to control press H to save the file. Then you will run the command python tiee.py. Okay, and the latest news whatever will come here. Okay, if you want, you can also get the H2, whatever the Times of India has, the Indian Express, whatever H2 tags are used there, they will come. Okay, you can see we have results like diplomatic, live, getting back, step. Whatever the H2 tags are used in this web page, you can see here. Okay, whatever, so you can understand that what is web stack using Python. I have created two projects for you.